Modern outdoor living treats the patio as a true architectural extension of the home. When designed correctly, these spaces offer a pristine environment for morning routines, afternoon gatherings, and quiet evening retreats. But the natural environment is entirely unforgiving. Every outdoor living space is locked in a constant battle with severe temperature swings, relentless moisture, and intense solar radiation. Standard patio furniture often fails to survive a single cycle of the seasons. What looks flawless in May frequently becomes brittle, faded, and rusted by October. This split-screen diagram illustrates material fatigue at the molecular level. On the left, continuous ultraviolet rays sever the polymer chains of cheap plastics, causing them to crack. On the right, untreated metal joints begin to rust the moment morning dew settles into the seams. Creating a lasting outdoor space requires materials engineered specifically to neutralize these natural threats, preserving that pristine resort aesthetic year after year. Today's premium outdoor furniture abandons basic construction in favor of advanced material science, built specifically for permanent, year-round exposure. We evaluate these elite pieces against 3 strict criteria: absolute rust-proof construction, comprehensive UV protection, and near-zero maintenance requirements. By applying these standards, we have identified the top 5 best luxury patio furniture sets of 2026. Selecting these sets represents a long-term commitment to your property's value. These are permanent architectural assets that function as a fixed part of the home's layout. When the burden of constant maintenance is engineered out of the equation, you are entirely free to focus on the people gathering in the space. Large family gatherings place unique physical demands on outdoor seating. High traffic, heavy weight, and accidental spills require an underlying structure built for abuse. The Hanover Monaco Outdoor Seating Collection, our top choice for family gatherings, and the Keter Rio Resin Patio Set, our selection for budget luxury, are specifically designed to absorb this high traffic impact. To understand why, look closely at this cross-section of their framing. A solid aluminum core provides immense structural rigidity, but the crucial element is the multi-layered powder coating baked over it. This seals the metal, preventing rust when standing water pools around joints. These frames are wrapped in high-density polyethylene, or HDPE, replacing traditional natural rattan. Notice how the HDPE fiber behaves when heavy weight is applied. Being solid and non-porous, it refuses to splinter, crack, or absorb moisture, regardless of the pressure. Together, the powder-coated aluminum and HDPE framing create an incredibly safe, stable environment that easily supports children, pets, and large groups. Family-focused luxury relies entirely on this hidden engineering. It allows hosts to entertain freely, confident that their investment is rugged enough to handle the reality of daily life. Soft outdoor furnishings face an even harsher reality. Summer storms and intense solar radiation actively work to destroy fabrics, yet premium materials ensure the water beads perfectly on the surface. The MF Studio aluminum patio furniture set, which leads in weather resistance, and the Grand Patio Napoli conversation set, our premium design choice, serve as prime examples of this elemental defense. This diagram reveals the science of solution-dyed acrylics. Standard fabric carries dye only on its outer surface. Conversely, solution-dyed fiber has color integrated into its core. Because the pigment runs completely through, the fabric repels UV radiation. The rich colors remain locked in without fading. Beneath these fabrics, quick-dry foam utilizes a highly porous internal structure that allows water to drain straight through, eliminating the conditions where mold and mildew typically grow. A flawless, high-end design is only valuable if it survives the environment. These advanced fabrics and foams guarantee the aesthetic remains unblemished through the harshest weather. This brings us to the pinnacle of our list, the Devoco 7-piece outdoor sectional set, our choice for the best overall patio furniture of 2026. This schematic demonstrates the concept of modular versatility. By utilizing independent geometric blocks, the layout adapts to the moment, shifting instantly from a concentrated conversation pit to an expansive layout for an evening dinner party. Beyond its layout, it utilizes deep, ergonomic cushions and premium craftsmanship that provide the physical support required for hours of daily use. The best patio furniture refuses to remain static. It actively adapts to your routine, securing its place as a dynamic, functional wing of your home. Across varying climates and intense seasons, these 5 sets prove that rigorous engineering translates to minimal maintenance and maximum longevity. Replacing cheap patio furniture every few years is a frustrating false economy. Premium outdoor collections provide lifelong value, sparing you the cycle of deterioration and replacement. Before making your selection, measure your specific footprint and identify the unique weather patterns your new furniture will face. You can explore and compare these featured collections through the links below to find the precise set that aligns with your property. True luxury is found in the moments you create. Your outdoor space becomes a destination when comfort, elegance, and durability come together. Explore the featured patio furniture sets through the links below and discover the perfect outdoor collection for your home.